unboxing Boxy Girls fashion packs. But before we do, I really want you guys to tap on this video how to draw a unicorn frappuccino at the corner. And if this video, before we say that, also if that pops up, it's going to be Mini Boost Collectibles, hand painted, Series 3, if you want to know what's inside. And it will pop up right there. And whenever you click on one of those videos, then comment #cherry when you are done. So here is our Boxy Girls fashion pack. There are 6 packages. Unbox 20 fashion surprises. Unbox makeup, shoes, bags, and more. They look so cute, don't they? And let's see on the back side. And I got it for $2.50. It was $9.94 though. And from the back, it looks so cute and interesting. Find posh and luxury fashion. Very interesting. They are 6 and above. Cannot wait to open this. So you have to tear here. Okay, let's just follow those steps. So these are really cool. Then you can just open it like this. And nice background, by the way. It's like a nice background here. Looks interesting in the box. But I don't think we need that now because it's mostly just trash. Or maybe you could use some of it for crafting. So here are our boxes. We may take the boxes carefully out because they do say handle with care. Fragile. And these are so cute because it's from Boxy Girls, 5th Avenue, New York City, and shipped to my best friend, weight 1.5 pounds, and item NR, and it has, I don't know what the bottom means. Let me guys know in the comments down below. But I am going to read it to you. Item NR 239 386 5291. Interesting. And then let's just get all of them out of the box carefully. They look so realistic. So we don't need this anymore, so maybe we could keep the background for something else. And here are our boxes. They're like moving boxes. We're going to open the small ones first, because we're going to save the best for last. Don't know what's inside that one. Scissors just in case. So let's open. It looks like we do need scissors. So we're just going to try to open it carefully. Is this the way you open it? These are kind of hard to open because they're like tiny, real ones. Maybe we're going to use a different type of scissors. My mom will help me do it. So she's just going to help me. So we're going to take one box and cut it with these scissors carefully. Because I really want to use the boxes for like my dolls and stuff. And at the corner, you're going to see a Barbie craft, which will be miniature cookies for Barbie. Whenever you do, comment #cherry also. And then you can see what's inside now. I really like this, and it says enjoy these new fashion finds. There's a collector's guide inside here. No, these are not. These are stickers. More shoes, please. I guess this could be shoes. Okay, let's see what we got. We got this cute little skirt. Is there anything else in the box? No, but I guess you could use this for something. I'm not going to throw them away. They're just too cute. So here are all our stuff that we got so far. And then we can open the next one. This time I will try to open it. Because I just really love these. And I am excited to open the next one. I think this one's much easier to open. Or it could just be the scissors. I kind of cut myself, so my mom's just going to finish it off for me. So you guys just watch carefully. And you always need parent supervision before cutting. Just cut it. I'm going to move up a little so that you guys can see more. So it looks like she's opening 2 for me. It's great. And maybe, I guess we are going to get lots of cool stuff. And I know we are because unboxing stuff is one of my favorite things to do with you guys. And guys, now it's back to school. I hope you guys are having a wonderful school time. And I am in 3rd grade this year. And comment down below what grade are you in. Okay. Now she's just opening the last box so that I can open all of them without any more cutting. I think you can just like peel the tape off carefully. Do it carefully though, if you want to. Or you can cut it. I guess cutting would be much easier. I can't believe we got some cute stickers. I did not expect to get stickers. I love stickers so much. And we're just going to open that at the end. Because we're just saving the best for last. And I bet there's some pretty good stuff in there. Stay tuned. Without any skipping. And now we can just unbox the rest. So we have this fragile box. Here's our stuff. But first we gotta check out what's inside. Of course we do. So let's see. I wonder if there's a collector's guide in one of these boxes. Probably the big one if there is. Love this. It's like a note. And we got a cute little bow sticker. How interesting. Next, let's see what we get. Something pinkish. So I got like a whole bunch of accessories. Looks like some earrings. Ooh, some nail polish. You could use this for your dolls. Barbie dolls too. And I think this is a bracelet. Or choker. Let me guys let me know in the comments down below too. These are awesome. I'm gonna keep this in the plastic because these are very small. I do not want to lose them. Next box. No, not yet. Gotta see what's inside of the stickers. I like the stickers. Heart. And same note as before. Really cool. I can read it to you. Enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XOXO. Boxy girls. Let's see what we got. We got a cute little skirt. Some pants again. We're getting lots of cute stuff. And then this next one here. Wow, guys, it looks like we got something different. Some shoes. These are so cute. We got some cute little shoes. I love Boxy girls. So this says smile. And same note as before. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Just some shoes. plain old shoes. And then next we are going to get the rest of it. So it looks like we got another pair of shoes. So cute. This time they are purple. Different color sticker. Heart sticker. And these shades of glasses. And guys, I hope you guys stay tuned because now we're going to open the big box and see what's inside this. Just open. Before we open this, we gotta know what the sticker is. Same note. Shop, unbox, repeat. That's such a cute sticker. Let's just open. Guys, we got some sunglasses in there. Pineapple ones. So cute. And they actually look like sunglasses. That's cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for coming here tonight. I hope you guys had a bad day. Well, no, I hope you guys didn't have a bad day. But if you did, I hope you guys, by watching this video, made your day happier. With guys can make it as little shoes on your fingers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!